Welcome to Creative Arts Academy. In this video, we'll be looking at whiteboard animation, how to create whiteboard animation. Just in case you're wondering what is whiteboard animation, okay, let me show you something like this. So this is exactly what whiteboard animation looks like, and the app we'll be using for this is called Benime. So in case you don't have it, to go to your Play Store or Apple Store to download it. So let's start without wasting much time. Let's see what we can do. So once you've opened your Benime, this is the interface. Why you are seeing this is because I've actually used this app before to do some projects and do some animation, whiteboard animation actually. And for those that are using it for the first time, if you come here, you won't see anything here. So these are my projects. So once you enter here, look at this plus sign here. So click on it. Name of you have to put name of a movie, which is titled. So what are you working on? Okay, let's say living things. We are looking at living things. Yeah, and look at this. Click on create movie. So once you click on it, this is your workspace. This is the whiteboard you are working on, and these are your tools that will help you achieve your whiteboard animation. So let's explore the tools. First is the test. So click on type what you want to insert. So let's say living things. So you click on insert, and this is it. Now if you don't want, if the size of the font is too small, you can actually increase it. Look at this increase sign here. You can see it's increasing. Now look at this decrease sign here. You can actually decrease it. So let's go back to 100, or you can also type size of the font you want 100. So this is good. And next thing is to place it. Okay, let me do something. If you want to move this test, you click on it and you can actually move it around. So let's say we need as heading, put it here as the heading. Yeah, put it as the heading. Now another thing you can see, you can actually change the color of this test. You can change the color. Look at this black here. You can click there and change the color. But I want mine to be black because I'm working with a white background. So you'll be able to understand them color harmony and color balance. So once you're done with this, click on good here. Click on that good. Next thing is let's preview what we just did. Yeah, you can actually, as you're working on whiteboard animation, you can be previewing it. So look at this play sign here. So just click on it. Play. So this is what we have. Next thing is living things. Okay, what about living things? Let's add more tests. Let's say living things are those things that have life in them. So we have this. Click on insert and try to adjust it. And we have this. To click on good. Now preview. Always preview what you're doing here. Always preview so you can see maybe your errors or like maybe if this thing is too fast now, you can actually reduce it. So you can see the duration. So just you can increase it. Let's say you want it to be slower, so you just increase it to 8 seconds. You can see it's now slow, but I want it to be actually 3. I need to be fast. So always preview your work. So the next feature is BG. BG means background. You can actually change the background of this your whiteboard. If you don't want to be white, you can change the background, but I need mount to white. So cancel. Next is the hand. You can see this hand that is coming out to right. You can actually change it. Look at this hand. You can see different shades of hands there. Whichever one you want, you can, or if you just pencil you need, you can just click on the pencil, whichever one you need. So, and if you don't want anyone at all, you can see this here. You can click on it. So I still want this, so I'll work with that. And next is sticker. This sticker here, you can actually add image. Maybe you like to, should I call it illustrations? So living things are those things that have life in them. You can add an illustration. Let's see, for example, plant. Now you can pick from a gallery, which is add image here, and you can actually check their own library. So let's go to drawing. You can see this plant. So let's add plant. So you can bring the plant here, increase the size. This is okay. Once you are done, click on good here. No, and okay, let's bring it down a little. You can click on good here. So we have this. So you can actually play to preview your work. Living things are those things that have life in them, and you can see the illustration of living. So you can see it's that easy, it's that simple. Next is, this is our first thing. You can actually add a second thing. Okay, let's say to add the second thing, look at this plus sign here. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the first thing will still be highlighted. So just click on this second one and to highlight. So you can just add your text. Let's see what you want to type. Example of living things. So you click on insert. Like I said, you carry it up maybe to wherever you want to place it, and you are good with this. So now I don't want to start typing example of living things, start writing that their name. I need maybe an illustration. So I can just come here, sticker, come to drawing. This will illustrate as plants here. So increase the size and place it here at the center. Click good. Then next illustration, another example of living things, animal. So this is a bird here. So we can use this as illustration for bird or illustration for animal. Increase the size to any convenient size of the choice and click on good. Next is human. Yeah, human is essential. So I don't think there's human here. So let's check on people. Yeah, let's use this guy. So this is a perfect illustration. And click on good. So let's just preview our work from the first thing. Let's preview how it looks like. So you can see how it's moving. Now this is something you can just work on under 5 minutes depending on your script. And if you have a longer script, you might need to add more things, but for something short like this, even within 2 minutes you are done creating your whiteboard animation. So next thing is music. It's not good to just leave a video like this. You can decide to add the background sound. Now there are two things. If you're using a voiceover, okay, let me show you what's a voiceover. So this is a voiceover where you'll be talking actually, maybe explaining things on the screen as they are moving. Yeah, just like slides when you're explaining slides. Yeah, if you're giving a presentation and you're looking at the screen, once you're done with the first slide, you move to the second slide, you explain. So that voice you're using to explain is what we call voiceover. So we want to add voiceover to this because you are not actually putting all your script in this whiteboard animation. You're only taking the key points. Now these key points can emphasize on them using the voiceover. And if you're using voiceover, you can decide to add the background sound. Yeah, it's very important. Add the background sound. It's soft, tender sound moving in the background, that will actually keep the video active. Next thing is if you are not using sound, just like the one I showed you at first, the one I showed you initially first as the video, you can actually use a sound, like a sound, at least an active sound. So let's add the sound from my so let's just take for any sound here. Okay, let's use this. So let's see how this sound looks like. I'm not sure you guys about the sound, but I'm actually working out the better sound. I'll just delete it, and at least it should be something. At least let me hear sound. So let's use something like this.
Get free music on mdundo.com.
Normally, I can't use this kind of sound for this kind of. So this is an example of sound, but normally I can't use this kind of sound for a job like this. Yeah, the sound and the whole context does not correspond. Let us add the sound. Click on good once you are done. Now to preview your work and include the sound, click on play here.
Get free music on mdundo.com.
So this is what it looks like. This is the perfect. This is everything how it looks like. So you can just add start to add more things. Depend on what you are doing. Depend on your own script. So I'm just giving you guys. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. So this is everything about whiteboard animation. You can see that video editing or whiteboard animation is something that's very easy, especially for beginners. You can use this to create whiteboard animation, maybe for a presentation or whatever, or maybe for a classroom, or for some set of kids, something illustrative like that. So that is the whole essence of whiteboard animation. So you can see it's very easy, and if you've learned something for this video, please ensure you subscribe, like, and comment, and also follow us for more video tutorials on video editing. I'll be taking you guys from video editing from scratch level to professional level. If you want to also have direct contact or my direct coaching, use the number on the screen to have direct coaching or to contact me directly. So next thing, after you're done with this, you can click on this save. You can look at this here. You click on it. You click on yes. What does that mean? It means save. That save now is if you're editing and maybe you got tired or your phone is low, you can actually save. So once you save, it will save, and you can come back once you are done with whatever you're doing. You can come back and continue from where you stopped editing. That is the essence of that save. Now if you want to save to your gallery, look at this stuff here that looks like share. So click on it, name your movie. What is the name we use initially? Living Things. Then click on make movie to start rendering your movie. Yeah, to start rendering everything. So you just have to be patient until you finish rendering. You can see it's not something that is too long. It's a short process, short and fast process, and within minutes you're done, and move to the next job. So you can see very easy. Now it's adding audio to your sound, to your visuals. This song we added or the soundtrack we added, adding it now. So you just have to be patient. Please do not touch anything in the screen while this is going on. Do not touch the screen, just allow it to process on its own. Do not touch anything on the screen. So just be patient, and it's done. So you can click here, play movie, to preview what is done. Yeah, this is my gallery, but it's saved my gallery already.
Get free music on mdundo.com.
So let's just review it from.
Get free music on mdundo.com.
you can see this is what it looks like. You can see that it's very easy. I guess now you are having an insight on how I did the first video that I showed you guys before starting this tutorial. Now you have an insight on how it was done. At first it was looking like, how do you do it, how do you do it. So now you've learned how to do such videos. So please subscribe and follow for more video tutorials. Also like and comment. See you in the next video.